Okay, here we have what we call lead nitrate. Lead nitrate is actually lead 2 nitrate, and lead 2 nitrate has a formula of Pb bracket NO3 bracket 2, like that. We will finally learn to write this formula. Okay, now lead 2 nitrate according to our prediction, lead 2 nitrate will have nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen hidden inside the solid. And now we want to discover the gases hidden inside here by heating. When we heat, then this lead nitrate will split up, or what we call decompose, into 3 substances. One is lead oxide, 2 is nitrogen dioxide, which is a brown gas, and we will test the brown gas afterwards, and third one is oxygen. What is the test for oxygen? Can you remember?
A lighted splint.
Sorry?
A lighted splint.
Relight a lighted splint. So here we have now heat. So we're going to heat this, and when we heat this, you take a blue litmus paper ready, because you see the brown gas starts coming out right now. Can you see? The brown gas starts coming out. And the brown gas starts coming out, you put this over the brown gas. What do you see?
Turns red.
The blue litmus paper turns red. So what does it tell you about the brown gas? The brown gas is what? Is A for not alkaline, but acidic. The brown gas is acidic, and the brown gas is a little bit pungent. Smell? Can you smell? Can you smell? Can you smell? Yeah. The brown gas is a little bit pungent. Now, not only is it the brown gas coming out, we also have what we call oxygen. And the way to test oxygen is to have a glowing splint. Okay? So this is a lighted splint, and that will be a glowing splint. Lighted splint, glowing splint. Now you insert the glowing splint inside, and what do you see? The glowing splint all the way in. The glowing splint glows brighter, right? Huh? It glows brighter. Actually, it can burst into flame. Huh? It can actually burst into flame, but we do not have enough oxygen there. If we have enough oxygen there, the glowing splint can burst into flame. Let's try that, see whether we can get it to burst into flame. Okay, okay. Now you light the splint. Okay. Check off the flame and put it in. Oh, it lighted. It's lighted. Okay. So this brown gas is not so nice to breathe. Okay. So we are not going to breathe the brown gas. We're going to let it go to the toilet and exhaust the brown gas to the exterior. So we're going to leave this in our common toilet. Okay. You wait a while here. never mind. Just leave it there. No problem. Okay. Now the other one that we are going to heat is called HGO. Not HBO, but HGO. This Hg is mercury. Okay. So this mercury 2 oxide, we can also expel oxygen from here. Let's see. And if we can expel oxygen from here, then you will find that what is left will be what? Will be mercury. Okay, so let's put this inside. Okay, let's put this inside. Now we're going to heat this. Okay? And we are going to expel the oxygen. Again, we're going to expel the oxygen. And we heat this brown or red mercury 2 oxide. And it will turn black first. Is it turning black? Okay. Is it? Oh, it's a bit turning black. Now it's turning quite black. Okay? It's turning black. And as it turns black, mercury begins to collect at the middle part of the pressure. Can you see the mercury there? The shiny mercury. Yeah? Very it's hot. Can you see the shiny mercury there? There. Yeah. Can you see the mercury? Yeah? So the mercury is going to be there. And let's heat until all the oxygen comes out. Okay. Take a longer spoon. So that you can insert all the way inside. Okay. Alright. Blowing and insert. Yeah, anyway it becomes brighter. Let's see whether we can get it to burst into flame by heating all the mercury 2 oxide to turn into 2 elements, oxygen and mercury. Okay, let's prevent the oxygen from coming out. Okay, take a burning spoon. Okay. Oh. Okay, now insert. Yeah, it bursts into flame, right? It bursts into flame. So that is important, but in the real practical exam, if it doesn't burst into flame, it's okay. That it glows brighter. When it glows brighter, it's as good as person smoking a cigarette, right? When he sucks the cigarette smoke into his mouth, the tip of the cigarette glows brighter, and that's enough to show that more oxygen is in the vicinity. Alright, let's produce all the mercury that we can get. How come there are so many ants? Okay, I don't think we have time to completely convert that. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour this one out first. Get the tissue paper. And pour this black mercury oxide out first. Now it turns red when it cools. And you see the mercury? You see the mercury there? You see the mercury there? Yeah, wait. We are going to dig out more mercury, okay? Yeah? And then we are going to clean the mercury. Don't play with the dirty one, we play with the clean one. So we are going to dig it out. So we dig the mercury out, can you see? We dig the mercury out. And the mercury will come out. Can you see the mercury coming out? Huh? Wait some more. There are some more mercury. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. That's enough. Okay, what we do now is we dampen the tissue paper with some water, and then we can clean it. Yeah. Now. Can you see it's shiny? That's very cute, right? Huh? There you are, it's so shiny. Huh? The mercury is so shiny there. So when they say that the formula for mercury 2 oxide is HgO, we have oxygen hidden inside mercury. In fact, this is how they make mercury. Huh? Now, most of the people, I like to differ with the common belief that they say mercury is poisonous. It is not poisonous. What is poisonous is the mercury in the compound, which is called mercury 2 plus ions. A drop of mercury like this contains zillions and zillions and millions and billions of atoms, and it cannot go into our bloodstream. Can you see now? Can you see? Can you see here? So cute, huh? Can you see? You press it down and then you split up. Did it split up? You split up, right? And then you use your hand to push them and it becomes a bigger globule. Push them together. That means that the cohesive forces between mercury atom is very, very strong. The cohesive forces is very, very strong. Can you see? Wow. So you have A, you have a nice mercury, atom there. Mercury collection of atoms. Now these small droplets of mercury contains millions upon millions upon millions of mercury atoms clustered together. Okay? So who would have known that mercury can come from this HgO? We got mercury matter hidden inside this. And now it turns red. Right? This one turns red. Any more mercury somewhere? Yeah, you put it together. There you are. Okay, enough.